finds this. Today I'm going to be attempting, and I use that term very generously, some small engine repair. My lawnmower is dead again, and everything I could read about on the old internet says that it is the carburetor that has given out. And pump the primer button thing, pull the ripcord thing, and it'll fart, turn over a couple of times, and then just stop. So they say, you need a new carburetor. Sidebar. Carburetor is a thing that helps regulate the mixture of gas and air into the engine that can be then set on fire to do the work that makes an engine turn. End of sidebar. So the carburetor is probably dead, and I could take it to a small engine mechanic and pay $60 to $100 to get them to rebuild the carburetor, clean it out, bring this thing back to life, or $20 kit off Amazon and some greasy hands, and we'll see if it works. And you know what? If I can't get this working, this lawnmower was like $150 anyway. So let's see if I can get this going. There you are, tiny little. Okay. Gasolina es muy peligroso. Oh, and there was that too. So there's no more video after that. Ran into some problems, my own dumbass fault. spilled gasoline everywhere, and wanted to frantically try and clean it up before I asphyxiated or set myself on fire or anything like that. It was a really simple repair, totally simple. There's just a couple of bolts, take the air filter off, and this slides out. There's a little throttle arm that hooks right in here, and you can see that it controls the what's called the butterfly valve inside there. Fuel line sticks into here, and that was really it. Just swap that out, but some very important lessons learned. Lesson number 1, drain the gas tank. Shame on me, should have done it. Got gas everywhere. Lesson 2, something I did not expect, was that this little bowl area right in here was full of gas. So when I took this off and it tilted out, gas just came pouring out of this too. So that's part of why I got gas everywhere. But it worked great. 2 pushes of the little primer thing. Once I got it reassembled, little primer button, pulled the cord, started immediately, and it runs great. So $20, quick replacement. Just be sure to drain the gas tank and watch out for gas that's going to spill out of this. But it was really just, once you take the air cover off and the filter out, just 4 little bolts, and then undo this hose, wiggle the throttle cable out of this, pop it off, new gasket, new washer, shove it back on, hook the thing in here, hook the hose in there, air filter cover, 4 bolts, and you're done. You're done. Super fast, super easy. Thank you for your patience. Be safe. Happy mowing.